RBW EV is a UK-based manufacturer of handcrafted electric sports cars. It's a nearly 8-year-old family business, and family is important to founder Peter Swain. For example, the company's name, RBW, actually represents the first letter of each name of Swain's children, Rose, Becky, and Wesley. The EV stands for electric, you know what it means. For years, RBW has hand-built its GT and Roadster models overseas, including a little more than a year at its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Lichfield, England, which opened in late 2023. Last year, the company unveiled its first left-hand drive Roadster and GT models at the prestigious Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. Both cars are based on iconic British sports cars from the 60s and 70s and targeted towards RBW's single largest market, the United States. The RBW GT EV coupe model was originally designed by the legendary Italian design firm Pininfarina. Not only are these high-end vehicles designed for the US consumer, but RBW is going to make them in America. Future production of both the GT and the Roadster models will take place in Danville, Virginia, at RBW's new $8 million US factory set to open September 2025. Peter Swain, CEO of RBW EV Cars, told Industrial Equipment News the company wanted to establish a local assembly presence. The new Virginia facility is expected to create 50 to 100 jobs initially. With further expansion as production scales, Swain foresees as many as 200 new positions. The new roles include spots in engineering, assembly, quality control, and support functions. Swain says he picked Virginia because of the state's established manufacturing ecosystem, highly skilled workforce, and strategic location for North American distribution. Swain says, quote, "This facility will enable RBW to scale production while preserving the craftsmanship and quality that define the brand. To support this transition, RBW has already been training US operatives at its UK facility." The market for these hand-built classic cars is driven by collectors and enthusiasts, customers who want a blend of heritage design with modern EV technology. Swain says RBW's vehicles offer a unique alternative to traditional classic car restorations by providing a brand new car with reliability, sustainability, and performance without compromising on style. Prices will vary depending on the model and customizations, but they start around $139,000. Each vehicle is meticulously crafted, with build times averaging around 500 hours per car. Unlike many retrofit or conversion options, Swain says RBW's proprietary EV system is engineered from the ground up, integrating OEM-compliant safety. The vehicles include a modular powertrain architecture enabling seamless upgrades and serviceability, optimized weight distribution to improve handling and driving dynamics, bespoke battery management and software, and integrated regenerative braking and intelligent energy recovery to enhance range and performance. Both the Roadster and GT models, a coupe version of the Roadster, have a 150-mile range, can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 8 seconds, and have a top speed of an electronically limited 90 miles per hour. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.